Bollywood actress Sonam Kapoor, who will be representing India at the 66th Cannes International Film Festival, feels Indian cinema is unique because of its emotional content. The 122 billion rupees Indian film industry, touted as one of the largest in the world, turned 100 this year and churns out over 1,000 films every year.
Got a lot of emotion involved in our cinema. It's a very emotional, I think Indian cinema is very emotional. The world is getting very, very small. So I don't know if we stand anywhere. I think now it's become world cinema. But at the same time, we are the only cinema which we have our own identity. There's always a different style to Indian cinema, to Indian films. A lot of people don't like the word Bollywood, but I love the word Bollywood. And I think I revel in the fact that there's song, and then there's dance, and there's drama, and then there's, like in Ranchna, there's Holi, and then there's crying, and there's this, and there's that. I love the whole drama in it. So I feel we bring in the emotional quotient in world cinema where Indian cinema is concerned. And that's why it's sustained for 100 years.
Coming from a family well rooted in the film industry, Sonam added that the centenary celebration of Indian cinema is a special occasion for her.
हमारी जो फैमिली है मुगल आज़म के टाइम से इस इंडस्ट्री में रही है. मेरे जो दादा थे वो असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर थे मुगल आज़म के टाइम, फिर वो प्रोड्यूसर बन गए. फिर उसके बाद मेरे पापा जो है वो पिछले 30 साल से इस इंडस्ट्री में हैं. तो आई थिंक वी आर बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री फॉर ऑलमोस्ट हाफ अ डेकेड, and we're extremely proud to be a part of it. And I think my celebration was doing an interview with Wahida Rahmanji. I think that was the most spectacular moment of my life, where I could sit down and I sat with her for a couple of hours and I spoke to her about Indian cinema and I spoke to her about everything. She, for me, is my icon, and she represents the golden period of Indian cinema.
Besides her father and grandfather, Sonam's uncle Boni Kapoor is a well-known filmmaker, and he is married to actress Sridevi. Sonam will soon be seen in Ranjana opposite Southern superstar Dhanush. IANS report.